Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of our beginner class from the 1st of February. We did a arm jive, shoulder slide, hatchback and a catapult. Links to the teachers of those are in the description below, because this is just an aid manual. It's literally just a quick run through of the entire routine. So the whole thing, if you're going to say if you need more, just check out the teachers. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And that's it. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with the next routine. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and it helps promote the channel, so thank you for that. Music recommendation to practice to on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.